Resetting your AirPods might sound like a daunting task, but it's actually fairly simple. Here's a 9-step process to get your AirPods back in working condition. The first step is really simple. Just make sure your AirPods are in the case with the lid closed to get them ready for the reset we're about to do. The second step is where it gets a little bit more technical just because we're going through the settings. First, you're going to need to open the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to the Bluetooth option, which should be at the top. From there, click on your device. You can see mine says Josh's AirPods Pro. Click on the small eye in the middle of a blue circle and scroll down to the bottom of that page where it says Forget this device. Once you click Forget this device, you'll see another pop-up appear on your screen with red text that says Forget device. You're going to want to click that. That's enough of messing with the settings on the iPhone. Now it's time to get to the AirPods themselves. The first step of this process is opening the lid on your AirPods, and you'll see there's a green light come on. On the back, you'll notice a small circular button called the setup button. You're going to press and hold the setup button on the back of the AirPods for 15 seconds, or until the light on the front changes from amber to white. Now's the easy part. Set your AirPods relatively close to your phone, and a screen should automatically appear with setup instructions on how to set up your AirPods. For more questions, reviews, buyer guides, or even more how-tos, visit zdnet.com.